Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to teach you how to do this beautiful square with a circle in the center. I'm going to use a 3.25 millimeter hook size, and it's another design, another square for my jacket, which I'm going to place in a playlist for the jacket. So let's start, shall we? I'm going to start by doing a magic circle, twist, and then insert from this side, pull, and then chain one. And since I start chain one, I need 2 more chain. This is 3 chain. It represents 1 double crochet. I need 11 more, a total of 12. So yarn over, insert inside, pull, the first and the second, again yarn over. I have 3 loops, the first 2, the remaining 2, again the first 2 and the remaining 2, a double crochet. I have 1 2 3 4. I need 8 more to get a total of 12. So finish and count again. I have finished all my stitches, so I'm going now to do what? In the 3rd chain I'm going to do a slip stitch and chain 1 and cut. This is my first row, and then I'm going to pull here to close my circle. The yarn that I began with, I'm going to pull to close my circle. Now insert at the top of any of the double crochet at the top, creating a knot to secure my yarn. And then again I'm going to start by doing what? 3 chain, 1 2 3, which is 1 double crochet. Now in each of the previous, I'm going to do 2 double in each stitch. Since this is 1, again in the same stitch I'm going to do 1 double crochet. In the next one the same, I'm going to do 2 double crochet in the same stitch. The 3rd one, which this is my 2nd row, an increase of double crochet in each stitch. So continue doing this and count at the end. I have finished all the stitches, so I'm going to do a slip stitch in the 3rd chain from the hook, and chain 1 and pull and cut. I have worked around all the stitches, so I'm going to cut. And this is my circle. Now bringing the next yarn, inserting it any of the chain, and doing what? Starting again by doing 3 chain. 1 2 3. Now in this row I'm going to do 1 double crochet, the second one increase. So in the next I have to do 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Now in the next one 1 double crochet. Thereafter an increase, meaning 2 double crochet in the same stitch. So 1 row, 1 double, the next 2 double the same stitch, and this is my 3rd row. So continue doing this and come again for the next row. I have finished, so I'm going to do a slip stitch in the first single crochet, chain one and cut. And this is the end of my circle. Now to transfer the circle into a square, I'm going to insert the new color at any of the single crochet, it doesn't matter. And I'm going to start by doing again a single crochet. In the next 4 stitches, I'm going to do a single crochet. So chain one, the beginning of my row. In the same stitch, I'm going to do a single crochet, 1, and the next 2, again 3 and 4. So 4, and then I have to do 3 half double, which is yarning 1, insert, yarn. I have 3 loop, pull through all loop, again yarn, pull. I have 3 loop, all loop. I have 4 single crochet, 3 half double crochet. Now in the next stitch a double crochet twice, 2 double crochet in the same single crochet, and then chain 2. In the next again stitch same, 2 double crochet. And then what I have done here, I'm going to repeat. So I have to do 3 half double crochet, 1, 2 and 3, and then 4 single crochets. So you're going to repeat this again 3 times to get my circle. Finish and come again for the next row. I have reached my end. I'm going to do a slip stitch in the next chain, and then chain 3, which is 1 double crochet, and the next stitch I'm going to do what? A double crochet. So now this is an easy row. I have to do a double in all the stitches. I'm going to do a double crochet, and then in the corner I have to do 2 double crochet, 2 chain and 2 double crochet. And this is my next row, which was going to be, as I said, all double crochet in the corner, 2 double, 2 chain, 2 double. So continue doing this and meet me again at the end. I have finished my last double crochet. I'm going to do a slip stitch in the 3rd chain and chain 1 and cut. Now if you're doing a square for yourself, you can stop at this point and where this is enough circle, but for my project I need another row. As you can see here, I need another row of probably a single crochet. I'm going to do another row of single crochet, but you can stop, it's up to you. But as you can see, I have done a circle, a granny square. So I hope you like my video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Until the next time.